Dear my customer, this is Stonebird from Bennevis. Today I will introduce the YCC365 camera, a small functions here. This one may be better for you, for your application to use this one. So let me start this one. We go to the app here. There are 3 machines in here. Let me open this one. Take a look. There is a function is here. There is a circle with a center. That means this is another submenu for preset the position function. Let me OK this one. So I have add 1 position now. Now I'm add another 2. So I give her name is 2. Save. Okay, then I close this function. Let me rotate the camera here. Okay. Let me click here. Before we set the position is here. So we click here. You can see here. Camera will go to the original you set the position. That is for easy to access some entry or some area you want to monitor, but you still want to lose the auto tracking function. Okay, there is no limitation for the preset the positions, so you can add more as much as possible. Okay, that is for functions, for explanation for preset position function. Thank you for watching. See you next time.